Okay, hello. Today we're going to be talking about something very important, and unfortunately I can't really give this to a class or to any people, so I'm just going to pretend that I'm just giving it over Zoom. So today we're going to learn how to be healthy, and the way that we're going to learn that is we're going to talk about how we should be sneezing and how we should be coughing and how we should be handling these things. And it's a really good time to talk about this for kids when all this coronavirus stuff is going on. So the first thing that we need to know is that when we cough and when we sneeze, our air is coming out of our lungs. So if you don't know what that means, we have these things in our body called lungs, and what they do is they filter our air for us. So sometimes when we're sick, our lungs might be filled up with germs. And we've talked about germs before, so you know what those are. But if you forgot, germs are tiny little living organisms, and what they do is they make us sick. So sometimes when our lungs are filled up with those yucky, blucky little living microscopic little germs, when we cough, they might go out all over the place. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So a really fun fact is when we sneeze and when we cough, the air that comes out of our lungs is as fast as a tornado. So if you think about that, when we cough, our air is coming out and it's so fast that it could be as fast as a tornado if we had enough of the air. So that's why we need to be super careful when we're coughing and sneezing. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is a little experiment that I did outside. And what I did is I took a balloon and I filled it up with glitter, and we're going to pretend that the glitter is germs. And we're going to pretend that the balloon is our lungs, like I just talked about. So we're going to pretend that our lungs are just filled up with these germs, and then when we let it out, like when we cough or sneeze, that's what is happening with the germs. So I'm going to pull up the video that I made really fast and show you what happens with the balloon. So, I think I forgot to click something. I totally did. Just 1 second. Okay, here we go. So don't forget, the balloons are supposed to represent our lungs, and then the glitter that comes out, that represents the germs. So as you could see, the germs went everywhere, and that's what happens with the germs inside of our lungs. So we need to be sure that when we are coughing and when we are sneezing, we're not just going, and if you were here, I would ask you why, but now I'll just tell you. Because all those germs that we just saw blow out of the balloons, guess where they are now? All over our hands. So we need to be sure that when we sneeze and cough, if we want to use our hands to cover it up, because we have to be sure we're covering it up, so those don't go all over the room and all over the other people and all over the table or wherever you are. So if we're going to use our hands, we have to be sure we have a tissue and go, achoo! Or we need to be sure that we're sneezing or coughing into our elbow, because sometimes maybe we're not close by a tissue, or maybe we think, oh my goodness, I'm going to sneeze and I don't have time to get a tissue. So if that happens, it's totally okay to cough into your elbow. But you need to be sure that you're covering it up, because we don't want those icky little germs to get all over our friends and all over the other things. So we're going to make a little craft to help us remember how we need to cover up our mouths with a tissue when we're sneezing or coughing. So I'm going to move the screen a little bit so you can see. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a piece of paper, and I'm going to take my hand, put it on the paper, and I am going to trace it. And this might be a little tricky for you. So if you need a little bit of help, it's totally okay to have a friend or your mom or dad trace your hand for you, or your sibling or whoever. I'm just tracing my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. I'm cutting out my hand, then I can make the craft. And again, it's totally okay if you have maybe someone who's a little older help you. or maybe someone who's had more practice with scissors. There's nothing wrong with that. Put out my hand. Okay, so here is my lovely hand. And now I'm going to take this paper plate. And this is another thing where it's totally okay if you decide that you want to use a piece of construction paper. You can cut out a circle. It's just going to be our face, and I just happen to have a paper plate nearby. So I'm going to draw some eyes on this little face. And I'm going to draw a nose and a mouth. And I'm going to draw my mouth as a circle, like that. He looks a little funny, but he's supposed to look like he's coughing or sneezing. So now I'm going to take my tissue, and I'm just going to fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. And I'm going to put it over top of his mouth to cover up his sneeze. Then I'm going to take my hand, put it on the paper plate like that. And then I'm going to take a stapler, and again, totally okay if you need to get some help from your mom or dad or whoever. And I'm just going to staple it on there. So maybe you want to hang this up somewhere or put it in your room or wherever. So maybe it can help you remember that. Something silly. Maybe it'll help you remember what you need to do when you're coughing or sneezing, because this is a really important time that if we're coughing and sneezing, we really don't want to get our germs on anyone else, especially with COVID-19. And another example of covering up our coughs or sneezes are people are wearing those masks in public. Those are really good to help. If someone accidentally sneezes or coughs, it really helps keep the germs in, just like the tissue does. So I also made another girl example. Maybe you're a girl and you want to give your little plate some eyelashes. So you could hang these up somewhere to remind us of what we need to do. So I have one more experiment that I did. And this is a really good reminder of why we need to wash our hands. Let me get over to that video. So what I did is I took some glitter and I put it on a plate with some water. And then I put some soap, dish soap on my finger, and then I dipped it in the glitter, and let's see what happens. And again, the glitter is supposed to represent some germs. So let's see what the soap does to the germs. So if you can see that, all those germs got pushed away by the soap. So that's another really important reminder that we need to be sure that we're washing our hands really good during this time and all the time, because if those germs are all over our hands and we put soap on there and scrub them away, just like in that video, all the germs will run away and they won't bother us anymore. And that'll help us not get sick. And what do you think would happen if you had germs all over your hands and then maybe you touched your friend, or maybe your friend wanted to share a snack with you? So you had all these germs all over your hand, and then you reach into your little baggie and give your friend a snack. Well, guess what? Those germs would be all over the snack now, just like the glitter would stay all over whatever it's on. So we need to be sure that we're using our soap and that we're cupping into our elbow and cupping into our tissues, so we can remember that we don't want to get our friends sick and we don't want to get our family sick. So we need to be super good about doing that. So next I'm going to show you a fun little song to help remind us to cough into our elbow and sneeze into our elbow. One last video to show you. I think you're really going to love it. And here we go.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth. Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth.
You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please. When you feel that itchy throat, put Put some tissue in your coat. If you don't, then use your sleeve. Don't spread your germs when you sneeze. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking, please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking, please. Now you've got a runny nose. Be careful what you touch and hold. Always cough into your arm. Spreading germs, it causes harm. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking, please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking, please.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasey, you need to cover your mouth. Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasey, you need to cover your mouth.
When you're sick, just stay at home. Get some good rest all alone. Don't give germs to your friends too. You need to play alone. It's the thing to do. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking, please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking, please. Oh, I'm asking, please. Cover your mouth when you sneeze.
Okay. So that song is another really good reminder that we need to cover our mouth when we sneeze and when we cough. So we need to remember after watching this that we need to cough into our elbow or cough into a tissue, not just into our hands, because then we'll get germs all over our friends and all over our family, and we just really don't want to get sick. So maybe you want to practice some of these crafts at home, and maybe you could make one of these people. I showed you how to make that, and if you decide that you want to try one of the experiments that I showed, all I did is I filled up a balloon with some glitter, but you could do it with flour, you could do it with pepper, whatever you decide to do, and just have an adult blow it up for you. And then you can let it out outside and you can just be reminded of how the germs might spread all over the place. Another thing you can do is the experiment that I did with the glitter and the dish soap. All you need to do with that is take a plate or a bowl or whatever just to hold some water, put some water in it, put some pepper on top, pepper or glitter or whatever you decide, and put some dish soap on your finger and dip it in, and you'll see how the germs just run away. And that'll be another really good reminder for you. So I hope today you learned how to stay healthy, how to keep your family healthy, how to keep your hands healthy, and what to do when you cough and sneeze. Thank you so much.